Hello everybody, this is David D. Smith. Today's video is about why investing is important to me. And as you guys know, I keep my iPad on me, so if you see me looking down, that's because I want to make sure I'm hitting certain points to share with you all. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So investing is important to me because it's like planting a seed. You plant the seed to hopefully reap the rewards of it somewhere down the line. You never know how much it'll grow, things of that nature. So I look at my investments like that. I want something that's gonna take care of me long term. And like the first point is I don't have a retirement plan as an entrepreneur. There may be some options out there, like IRAs and things of that nature, but I don't have the traditional like 401k or job matches it, things of that nature. So investing to me is very important because I'm thinking long term. Like I'm not even 30 years old yet, but I'm thinking what's going to happen when I get 60? When I'm 70, like, do I still want to be that person I make music? So I don't want to be making music. Will I be on YouTube doing this, doing that? No, I want to be able to be free, and that leads me to my next point. Investing is a tool that can get me to my ultimate goal. My ultimate goal is financial freedom for myself and for my family. And investing is a way to do that. You're putting your money to work. And I'm not only talking about the stock market, I'm saying in general, you're putting your money up to make it generate more money. I always bring this up where I had a post that I put up about my Robinhood portfolio. It was up 145% over the course of 2 years, and I feel like that's a perfect example of my money making money for me. And aside of that, that also steps into building wealth. You can put your money in the savings account, save money, things of that nature, but when you invest it, it's building. When you save, it's just staying to whatever you put it at. And then some people will even say that it loses value due to inflation. The interest rates on it aren't anything. You could have $100,000 in the account and you're not making anything on that $100,000. Now, if you invest that $100,000, especially if it's a situation where you get 145% return over 2 years, that money is really working for you. And then over time, as you get older, you can go back and start selling off some of those shares in my case. But this is not only limited to stocks. You have real estate and a bunch of other things that build income. Let me think of something else, like art investments, for example. If I buy a painting for $1,000, who knows, maybe 10 years down the line, that painting might be worth $20,000. I sell that painting, I made some money off of it. And like I was saying with real estate, you can buy a rental property or a house, fix it up, like a lot of people do. They flip it or they either rent it out. Flipping it would be you fix it up, sell it, keep the profit, things of that nature. Or you can have rental property where you actually, maybe I'll go buy this condo somewhere and rent it out for $1,500 a month, depending on the mortgage payments and things of that nature. Or if you just buy it outright, you will have that money coming in, or over time you end up paying it off, and then that lowers, like, you don't have the mortgage anymore, so that money is just coming in outside of the expenses, like insurance, things of that nature. But I'm not a real estate person. I'm just telling you guys don't have to only do that with stocks. Like, investing is very important. Even where you invest your time, you can invest in yourself, build yourself up, and you will reap the benefits of you putting that time into yourself. I learned how to invest by investing my time in books and reading and learning how to do this stuff. I learned how to do YouTube and things of that nature because I invested the time into learning the knowledge on how to do all of this stuff. So that's one of the best investments right there. You can invest in yourself. So let me see if I got any more for you guys. That's actually it. That's really why investing is important to me. I didn't want to ramble on this video. That's why I did the notes. But bottom line is building wealth, financial freedom, and those are like my two main things. Like my ultimate goal, I'm gonna have a video on this, is financial freedom. I've been blessed to be in a position to where I've experienced a little bit of financial freedom. I mean, it was never a situation where I wasn't worried about money, but it was like I had enough money coming in to where money wasn't a stress. I always thought about money, but it wasn't a stress. I wasn't just out here being reckless, spending money left and right at any old thing. But it was like, I know what it's like to have to work to get that check, and then that check is like small or not what you expect, or it's barely enough to scrape by. But I went through that, and then I got to a point where it's like, oh, well, I'm good. Oh, I want that. Let me get that. Oh, I want to buy some stocks today. Let me drop 2,000 in the stock market. Stuff like that. I would want to be financially free when I'm comfortable. I don't want it to be any type of stress revolving around money. I want my child to be able to have that. I want my family, the generations that's under me, to be able to go through that as well. It's a much better life. So that's my overall goal, financial freedom for me and my people. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully I wasn't rambling too much or anything like that. If you enjoyed it, drop a comment below, drop a like, and subscribe. Appreciate y'all. Have a wonderful day. Take care.